She got a little country, got a little country, got a little country. She got a little country, got a little country, got a little country.
Guys, so we're gonna sit in a chair, and it'll be easier to start as a beginner in a chair. We don't have to worry about balance, all of our weight on the feet. We'll only have some of our weight on our feet. I recommend you lean a little bit forward and put your hands on your knees, the front of your thighs or your knees, and just a little bit of weight, not a ton of weight on each foot, but make sure for now you can pick up your heel, pick up your toe, pick up your heel, and just shake it out. You might want to give a good stretch both ways, plantar flexion, dorsiflexion, meaning just pull this way, pull that way. Might need a good stretch. Okay, all right, so we're gonna break it down step by step. Let's first practice rotating on the heel. So the heel is on the ground, the black heel is on the ground. We're gonna go out. We're gonna pick up, rotate back to neutral, or home position, right here, neutral, which is parallel, where the feet are parallel to each other. Okay, this is home. On the heel, I'm on the heel, I rotate the toe out and drop it. Exaggerate, pick it up really high, rotate, drop. Really high for now, rotate as far out as you can, drop. So we're rotating on the heel, okay? Now, that's rotating on the heel. Let's go to this foot. Let's do the same. Toe up, or rotating on the heel, out, drop. Toe up, rotating on the heel, to home position or neutral, drop. Do that 100 times. Exaggerate each motion early in the beginning here. Pick up, rotate, drop. Pick up, rotate, home position. Okay. Shake it out. Okay, so that's rotating on the heel. Now, let's rotate on the toe. So we're going on the toe, and we're gonna rotate the heel in. Really go high for now, exaggerate everything so that your body gets used to the motion. Pick up the heel, rotate on the toe in, where the heel comes in like this, drop. Pick up the heel, rotating on the toe to neutral. Again, neutral is parallel feet. Do the other side. Toe rotates in. Move my feet further apart. Feet about shoulder apart, by the way, or shoulder width apart. Okay, on the toe, rotate in, drop. Really exaggerate. Up, rotate, neutral, position, dropping the heel. Up goes the heel. We're on the toe, rotate on the toe, heel turns in, drop. Really exaggerate. Again, do that many times. Your body will get used to this motion over time, building muscle memory. Shake it out as you need to stretch. Go ahead and stretch. This does work your feet, muscles. Okay, so we rotated on our heel and our toe. Now let's do a little exercise. First we're gonna do one foot at a time, then we're gonna do the same. So with the black sock, we're gonna pick up our toes, rotating on the heel out. Okay, now on the toe, opposite foot, white sock on the toe this time, picking the heel up, rotating in. So we have this sort of a, you could call this like a second, third position. Second position in ballet, sort of a plie position we're in here. Let's bring it back to neutral. Neutral, again, our home position is parallel feet. Okay, again, heel, which means toe up, rotate as far as you can, drop, heel up, rotating on the toe of the other foot, rotate in, the heel in, and drop, and bring it back to neutral. Let's do them both together. So, one foot is rotating on the toe, and the other is on the heel. We're going this direction, which is my right, it might be different for you. You can hold on to your seat also. I'm holding on to my seat. Not for dear life, but just nice, relaxed, couple fingers on it. That'll help you to really isolate. So do this 100 times. Keep practicing this over and over again, exaggerating how high you lift up. Drop. There we go. Now let's do the other side. So this side now becomes the heel on the ground side. you're gonna rotate this black sock, get on the toe by lifting the heel, rotate in and drop. Okay, now we're in this like plie position, kind of this second position here. Bring everything back to neutral. Again, rotate on the heel, toe out, drop, rotate on the toe, heel in, drop, neutral. Do them both together, just like with the other side. Together. And I recommend you go to socks, by the way. I should have mentioned that at the beginning. It's gonna be much easier than shoes. Shoes can be sticky initially, so you'll eventually do these in shoes, obviously, but initially you want as little friction as possible. I would recommend socks. So again, 100 times going this direction now, which is my left. Shake it out. Eventually put your feet back in parallel position and knee and shoulder width apart. Do that 100 times. Go back this way now. That direction. Maybe 3 on that side and then 3 on this side now. 1, neutral, 2, neutral, 3, neutral. Maybe 2 on this side. 1, neutral, 2, neutral, and 2 on the side. 1, neutral, 2, neutral. Now 1 and 1. 1, neutral, 1, neutral. 1, neutral, 1, neutral. You can play with the tempo as you get used to this. Play with the tempo. Slow it down every now and then to really make sure you're doing the correct motion. Shake it out and speed it up. You need to stretch out here. You'll probably need to do this too. If you do this enough, you'll get some muscle tension, maybe even cramps. But go ahead and stretch it out. All right, guys, that's a good place to start. On the chair, slightly holding onto the sides, or hands on the kneecap. Isolate 1 foot at a time, then do both movements together, working both sides, and then you can do 1 and 1. 1, neutral, 1, neutral. Eventually try this exercise, single, single, double, double, okay? Let's give it a shot. Single, single, double, neutral, double, neutral. And then you can reverse it the other way, single, single, double. Okay guys, I hope that was useful. Make sure you stretch, I'm definitely feeling it.
All right, so you've already heard from Justin. He gave you a very thorough lesson on how to do the apple jacks, especially if you're a beginner. I'm gonna just share with you like 2 tips that helped me. And basically that's 2 words, toe and heel. So let's see what that looks like. All right, I'm back with only the lower half of my body. Okay, pay attention to the feet. Like I said, toe and heel. The thing to remember is that you're gonna plant 1 toe or ball of the foot into the ground like this. So there it is, toe or ball, and then 1 heel. There it is. And then try that with the other foot. Go in, or ball, heel up. Okay, you've already done the hard part. Now all we're gonna do is twist the feet out. We're gonna pick any side that you'd like. I'm gonna choose heel on this side and ball on this side. It's gonna go that way on the toe, heel that way, back to center. Now I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna do heel on this side, toe on this side. And I'm gonna switch again. All right, let me break that down one more time just in case you didn't get it. Okay, so we've got toe and heel, or like I said, ball and heel. So I'm gonna do heel, toe. This foot's gonna shoot out this way. This toe is gonna go that way. So think of it in pushing them in opposite directions. Opposite, 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 opposite. Remember, at no time you're gonna lift just the heels or the balls. That's not apple jacks. Apple jacks is alternating. All right, well, that's what helps me out. Hope that helps you out. All right. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button, okay, for more videos like this.